What up, guys? Today's Monday. I'm off for work. Gonna do a couple things to the video, but before starting this video, I want you guys to hit that like button and let me know if you guys are actually seeing the videos, because so there's been this thing going on around in YouTube where a lot of people have views have literally been getting cut in half, and we have no idea why. We don't know what YouTube is doing. We don't know if YouTube is like shadow banning. I don't know. But it's like a lot of channels that have literally been getting their views cut in half, which is like fucking weird. You know what I'm saying? Like, for the amount of subscribers and everything we have, and the videos have been cutting in half. And again, it's not only me, it's a lot of the YouTubers that I've seen, like a lot of small YouTubers also, that I don't know if YouTube is just trying to get rid of, like small content creators, or shadow banning. I'm not sure. It's not, you know, it's like, I've seen somebody that I know that he only got 800 views in 2 days. He has like 30,000 subscribers. So it's literally like YouTube have been doing something. I don't know what it is. So I really appreciate you guys. If you guys make sure you hit that notification bell, so you guys are notified when I upload, because I'm putting a lot of effort and everything to these videos, and like YouTube is not, I guess, putting them out there or letting people know, or shadow banning my channel. I'm not sure what it is, but it's some bullshit. So appreciate you guys. If you guys hit the like button, comment down below if you guys are actually watching the videos, or you guys are able to see the videos when I upload and stuff like that. I'm not sure. Hopefully this thing goes away. But today, basically what I'm going to be doing is, again, like I told you guys in the last video, I'm going to sand down the little spots that I didn't sand down. The brake lines, I'm gonna take apart the brake lines today, which are, let's see, which are right there. I have the flare kit right here, which I'm going to use. I'm pretty sure it's like the 10 or 12 for that. I have blue masking tape, because I'm going to clean the whole bay. I'm actually going to tape up all those little holes, wash everything down, clean it up, make it nice and clean. Just got some regular soap. Probably going to use regular dish soap, because I forgot this one has like some wax and stuff in it. And dishwashing soap takes off the wax, that's what I need. And just some regular sandpaper. So yeah, I'm going to start maybe by, I guess, taping up all these holes, and then I guess working our way, you know, down the line. So let's get into this video, guys. So all the holes, hard to see because the tape is blue, but all the little holes that end up inside, all covered. I got this dirty rag right here. I'm gonna put dishwashing soap on the whole bay to basically, again, clean this whole thing off. Actually, no, I'm gonna sand down. I'm gonna sand like the little parts I need to sand, and then we'll wash everything off. All right, sanding down most of the parts that I want to sand down. I think we should be good and ready to wash the baby. Alright, got the Dawn soap. You guys don't know, Dawn dishwashing soap, or typically any dishwashing soap takes off any wax, any residue that's on it. It literally strips it clean. So Dawn, the best one. Spray this all over. Just let it drip all over. Obviously, I'm gonna add some to my glove also, well, to my wash rag, but just gonna let some that. Put some on here. Didn't know? Now you know. You can wash your car with this too. I washed my car with this plenty of times when I want to strip the car completely from all waxes and sprays and everything. Okay, so the prop valve is off. This is the gas line, is the feed, and the return line on the gas. I'm leaving those hard lines because I can make the power that I want. Well, if the lines being hard lines, that doesn't matter. I know a few people are rating me over 600 with hard lines. I was gonna do braided lines, so I'm not gonna waste my time with that. So now I just have to take off these lines, which go to right here. Which go to right here. I'm gonna take these off. I have to still order this line, so I'm gonna order that one next. But yeah, actually touch up on the bay a little bit more again because I've seen some spots here and there. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish up these lines, and then I have some spray right here. I think I might. Oh, it's right here. So I just got regular black like car paint because I want to paint the subframe. So I was gonna take the subframe off and go get it to get powder coated, but I don't really want to go through that right now. It's gonna be a lot of work to end up doing all that. It'll take even more time. So yeah, and you're not really gonna see the subframe, so I'm just gonna spray it black, some regular black paint, call it a day. That's about it. But I'm gonna take these lines off first, and then I'm just gonna mask off like some of the spots back there, so I can paint that. And this video originally was supposed to be about what do you need to make 500 horsepower, because everybody keeps asking me. There's a lot of people that keep asking me, how do I make 500 horsepower with like a B series? What do I need? Stuff like that. So obviously I don't have like the block, I don't have the piston, the rods and stuff is at my builder, but I do have like the head and stuff that I'm not really sure if I can get to it, but I can probably show you guys it. I can show you guys it. It's inside, but it's so much work to like take everything off. I'll just show you like what I have, stuff that I have inside. But mainly I'm just gonna explain to you guys what do you need, and depending if you want to do like a little budget build, a single jingle, B series, whatever it is, you know, however you want to put it. But I'll let you guys know exactly like what components you mainly need to make 500 horsepower. Alright, so basically now we paint this. It's not gonna be the best thing again because I didn't get it powder coated. I don't really care about that because it's gonna take too much time and everything. So let's get to painting. Alright, gave it its first coat. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let it dry. Hit it like 2 or 3 more times and should be good. Little handy helper. Alright guys, so I did about 3 or 4 coats. Look at that. Beautiful. It already looks amazing. I'll let it dry overnight. Then I'll take the tape and everything off. So I just taped it off there so I don't get paint. But like, dude, for $5 can. And this is just like a regular, you know, I got this because it's supposed to be like a little bit of a car paint. So I wanted to see if it'll last a little bit longer and stick and gloss better. Which obviously you guys already see it does an amazing job. $5 budget right here. And it'll do that to your subframe. Yeah, and I can't I was gonna do the video on explaining on how to make 500 horsepower, but that's gonna be for another day because I have some stuff to do. I know this video has been short. Well, most videos have been short, but thing is, you guys gotta bear with me is there's not that much to do. I just hit up my painter. He told me tomorrow he's gonna call me, so I'm gonna call him tomorrow. He's gonna give me a quote on, you know, the paint that I'm getting, how much it's gonna be the paint, when to send it off. For the most part, the car's already done. I mean, the bay is done. I just gotta grind these off, which I'm probably gonna do maybe Wednesday or something. I gotta grind those little like nipples or whatever you wanna call them off. And yeah, we should be good. So I just wanna apologize, you know, for not lack of content, but I know there's not that much to do. It's just a waiting game at this point with everything that I have. And like I said, YouTube has been doing like some bullshit. I don't know what they're doing on YouTube. It's been pretty annoying. That I feel like not even like 90% of my subscribers are not watching the videos, and it's like they're not getting them. They're not getting notified. They're not being in the sub box. Something is going on because more than half of my viewers are not seeing the videos. And instead, I've seen other content creators where they are going through the same issue and their views are like way down. So I don't know what it is, but I appreciate you guys. If you guys actually like this video and share it, do all that good stuff, it means a lot to me, because actually I'm here putting in all this work and it's going unnoticed because of YouTube doing God knows what. But yeah, we're gonna say it right now. Hold on. But yeah, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So we'll do this a $5 budget to make Angel Bay look that much better. For $5, go anywhere. You don't have to be specifically this paint. It could be any other paint. I wanted to get like bed liner and stuff like that, but I think the gloss looks better. So if you guys enjoyed this video, again, sorry guys, like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy. Build to enjoy. What else? What do you say? You said it. Subscribe.
More my video. Bye.
And what else? And like, right?
And like them.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Say watch the videos.
Watch the videos.
Alright, peace out, y'all.